Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Wi-Fi password from your Android phone to your iPhone without actually giving away the password. And the process is really simple. Now what you have to do first is take your Android phone and then swipe down from the top and then tap and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. Now from here tap on this gear icon right next to your Wi-Fi name, and then from the bottom here tap on QR code. Now once you have this QR code generated, all you need to do is take your iPhone and then open the camera app. Now just scan this QR code, and once you do, you'll see something like this. Now from here all you need to do is just tap here and then tap on join, and now if we open our Wi-Fi, you can see that now we are connected to the same Wi-Fi as our Android phone. And the process was really simple. And that is how you can share your Wi-Fi password from your Android phone to your iPhone without actually giving away the password. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.